guys, I will share to you the 6 days of creation, part 1. In the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth. Ang nang pasimula ay nilikha ng Diyos ang langit at ang lupa. And the earth was without form, and the world in darkness was upon the faces of the deep, and the Spirit of God moved upon the face of the waters. At ang lupa ay walang anyo, at walang laman, at ang kadiliman ay sumasa ibabaw sa kalaliman, at ang Espiritu ng Diyos ay sumasa ibabaw ng tubig. And God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. Sinabi ng Diyos, magkaroon ng liwanag, at nagkaroon nga ng liwanag. God saw the light that it was good, and God divided the light from the darkness. And God saw the light that it was good, and God divided the light from the darkness. Nagkasala lang. At nakita ng Diyos ang liwanag na mabuti, at hinimulay ng Diyos sa kadiliman. And God called the light day, and the darkness He called night. The evening and morning were the first day. At tinawag ng Diyos ang liwanag na araw, at tinawag niyang kadiliman ang gabi, at pagkahapon at nagkaumaga ang unang araw.